Welcome to Talent Tuesday with my wonderful friend Marie-Louise and myself. She would have been just before me, and hopefully you saw her video. I know she's created something spectacular for us all, so I hope that you've seen it. If not, I will link her video in the description below, so make sure you go and check it out. Okay, I am just playing today. I mixed up some resin. I'm using the NicPro epoxy resin, and it is a 1-to-1 resin. I mixed, how much did I mix up? I think I mixed up 4 ounces. I should not have opened those lids over my mold because of the crunchy bits. And as you can see, I'm just dropping a couple drops of alcohol ink into these little cups, and I'm gonna just play. So again, I've been kind of inspired by Fahima of Zarrin Resin Art. She does these wild and wonderful and crazy things. And I'm gonna see what I can do and if I can get anything remotely close to what she has done. All right, so that was kiwi, forget-me-not, lavender, lemon, tangerine, and cherry. Those are the colors that I am working with. And I'm gonna drop just a little bit of resin into these cups. Here's my resin. It was at 33 degrees C when I started the video. Well, I actually decanted 20 grams into this cup and added 2 drops of Julie's bloom paste to it and mixed it up. Put a few little crystals that you can see in the center of my molds. And yes, these are coaster molds from Pouring Your Heart Out, Julie Cuts. Okay, I think that's good, right? Let's mix these in. Yikes, what am I doing? All right, so I'm gonna do warm here and cool here. And I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just gonna do. So Fahima did like a popsicle swirl. something like that. I don't know. This could be interesting. She picks it up, swirls it around. Something like that happens. Picks it up, swirls it around. Oh, this is, it's as hard as I thought it was gonna be. That is for sure. Okay, let me try one from down here. Oh, I'm gonna be picking up a few colors, I think, in this one. I think this is gonna end up blobby. But it's fun. It's hard to swizzle your stick. Maybe I'll get better by the time I get to this one. Maybe I should try swizzling my stick the other direction. Maybe that'll be easier. No idea. Okay, oh look, we've got yellow here. I think this one's gonna be called Kim is just really messing around and creating a mess. What are we gonna do with these blobbies? Oh goodness. All right. Okay. Well, onwards and upwards. I'm back for layer 2. So I've mixed up 3 ounces of resin. I decanted 15 grams over here. Added 2 drops of Julie's bloom paste. And yeah, that's where we're at. Ooh, look at this. So this was from the leftovers. It's kind of cute how that back turned out. Anyway, just something fun. All right, I'm going to decant into the molds. Move this back. So I'm going to do leaves for the back, and I've got kiwi and avocado. I believe the avocado is darker. Are you guys as curious as I am as to see what kind of situation I've got on this side? I know I've got some overflow there. This one turned out okay. It hung in there. And I think this one's gonna be my favorite one. I don't know why. I just think it will be. A little bit of overflow in parts. All right. Who knows though? All right, are we ready? Let's do this one first. Oh, wow. Okay, that turned out way better than I expected. Okay, really, really cool. I'm so surprised. Yay! How fun. Okay, let's bring this one in. So yes, you can see through it. I kind of like that for this. With the leaves in the background. Yeah. Like it, like it. And I don't know, I really thought this one was going to be my favorite, and now I'm not so sure. The center slid a little bit, but it happened to coincide with where I dropped the glass, so the glass beads, so that's perfect actually. Oh, I really like it. I like them both. Super surprised. I like how the flipping the stick created that twist in here, and it did bring the colors around. Wow. Okay. Do you guys have a favorite one? Let's get you in for a close-up again. Look at the twists and turns. That is very cute. Very cute. Wow. All right, well, thank you all for being here. And if you've made it this far and you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Hit that thumbs up button. The next time I upload a video, you will be notified. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now.